This is going to be a revisit video of this HP Pavilion a730n. I originally done this back in August of 2018 when I first got the computer. Then I later deleted it and someone had it on their channel, so I re-uploaded that as the Windows Gameplay 5384 archives video. So yeah, here's the specs. Pause if you want to read that. Here's the right sticker, which has built-in front access 9-in-1 memory card reader. Right there. There has some high-speed USB 2.0 ports there and there on the front, and 4 more on the back. It has FireWire ports, which has 2 on the back, like 1 in the front, 1 in the back. So that counts as 2 FireWire ports. Nice. So let's just turn it on. I also did a system record. What am I saying? I also did a system recovery video of this thing. So it has its original operating system now. So yeah, here's what we get. And because it's an OEM install, it has a bunch of bloatware, like spam subtract spam manager, spy subtract spyware manager, Norton personal firewall, and Norton antivirus. Which I do not get, like, why put these on there when you have Norton antivirus? So yeah. So this is a pretty much bloated installation. Okay. So here's what we have on the system properties. It has Windows XP Home Edition with Service Pack 2. Okay, HP knows their drivers because they put the PhotoSmart 320, 370, 7400, 8100, and 8400 series. And they have the PhotoSmart camera drivers too. That's great. Here we have some old online services. You have America Online in America, AOL Online in Canada, Earthlink. I don't know what that is. Okay, MSN, and Netscape Canada. So yeah. Here we have the HP Music thing, which is, I don't know, music. Here we have Microsoft Works. We have a 60-day trial of Microsoft Office. Dang it. We have the game channel, surprisingly. Here we have Microsoft Interactive Training, which was what all OEMs put on their computers. As you can tell, this is the Home Edition, by the way. So yeah. This is the original Source Pack 2, no updates installed. So yeah, that's pretty much it with this computer. Let's just shut it down. And that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching.